Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials ready so you can act fast. Open the App Store, install the Make Money app, and sign in with your Apple ID. This prevents later verification delays. Once done, add a valid payment method and enable Face ID or Touch ID for quick payouts and security. Make sure you allow notifications and location if the app needs them, because those permissions unlock higher-paying tasks and local offers that increase earnings. You should focus on tasks that give the best hourly return, filter by payout and required time. Start with quick surveys and short offers, then move to recurring activities like daily check-ins or content creation roles once comfortable. Use the in-app timer and history to avoid duplicate submissions, and attach receipts or screenshots immediately after completion to prevent disputes. Also connect referral links and verified external accounts. You finish by cashing out smartly. Check minimum payout, fees, and preferred method like PayPal, bank transfer, or gift cards, then request a withdrawal during low-traffic hours for faster processing. Keep screenshots and transaction ID until funds clear, and reconcile your in-app balance with the received amount. If a payout fails or tasks don't credit, contact support immediately. Include clear screenshots, timestamps, and any message ID so they can process a manual review swiftly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.